Ice D1 DIY. Product combination: 2 bottles of eye gel, 1 bottle of neck gel. It also comes with a mini version of the version test chart. Ice D1 DIY. Patented formula contains a variety of the herbal extracts. Nano-level patented product, 3-second penetration, 7-second absorption. DIY 1. Curing the neck meridians. Turn on the bottle of neck gel and squeeze out an appropriate amount of gel onto your neck and shoulders. Use the roller ball to roll up and down along 3 lines on your neck until you feel a warm sensation. Center line, start from focal point and move to the Dazui point. Lateral line, start from the Fengci point and move to the Jingjian point. Lateral line 2, start from the Lutu point and move to the Jingfeng point. This will help cure the meridians in your neck, relieve stiffness and sore muscles, and guide qi and blood flow to your head for cognitive nourishment. Start with the left side and then proceed to the right side. DIY 2. Curing the head meridians. Turn off the bottle of neck gel to prevent the gel from flowing out. Use the roller ball to cure the meridians in your head. Start with the center line, then move to the left side, and finally roll to the right side until you feel a slight warmth on your scalp. This can involve issues related to insufficient blood supplies to the head, such as headaches, dizziness, insomnia, and so on. DIY 3. Ice massage for node dispersion. Acupoint pressing around the eyes. Turn on bottle of eye gel. Use the single roller ball to roll around the eyes area to disperse knots. Sequence: inner eyes corner, upper eye socket, outer eyes corner, lower eye socket. To roll around eyes area 9 times. Unblock meridians. Activate blood and qi flow. Relieve eye fatigue and improve eye issues. Don't skip any knots you encounter. Then press the following 10 acupoints around the eyes in this order. Jingming point slightly above the inner corner of the eyes in a small depression. Jianying point below the eyebrow in the upper outer corner of the eye socket. Suanzu point in the depression of the inner eyebrow. Yuyao point at the midpoint of the eyebrow. Sizhu Kong point in the depression at the tail of the eyebrow. Tongzi Liao point next to the outer corner of the eyes in the depression of the outer edge of the eye socket. Taiyang points about 1 inch back from the intersection of the eyebrow end and the outer corner of the eyes. Chu Ho point at the junction of the quarter and inner 3/4 of the lower edge of the eye socket. Chen Qi point directly below the pupil at the lower edge of the eye socket. Si Bai point 1 inch below the pupil when looking straight ahead. Press each acupoint 3 times, giving each point 3 rotations. After completing acupoints, pressing on the all 10 eyes area points, roll around the eyes area again to unblock meridians, relax eyes muscle, and relieve fatigue.